35 ranked, right?
Yeah, Cliff, it's been insane. I believe third best actually second best SMG right now behind the Mac 10.
So it's really the Mac. So the Mac just got a buff all of a sudden.
Yeah, I think everything got nerfed to the point where the Mac 10 didn't essentially get buffed, but it kind of did because everything else got nerfed. Fucking Civil coming in with a tier 1 sub. Let's fucking go, my boy. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Doing good.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Metal Rain's coming in with a 5 gifted sub. Turn us the fuck up, baby. Yo.
Sick.
Civil coming in with a second gifted tier 1. Oh, man. We got 7 gifted subs tonight. Holy shit. Yo, we got to see it through. We got to see it through. Let's go. My fucking boys, bro. Yo. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. A hype train is close. One more person needs to sub, gift, or use bits. I've never had a sub train before. What the fuck?
It's called a hype train. Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
A hype train is close.
You can get it to level 5.
What?
Yeah, it goes nutty.
Damn, this is crazy. Yo, I fucking appreciate you, bro. Let's go. Oh, wow. Cliff coming in with a tier 1. Oh, man, this is fucking wild, bro.
Oh, my God.
What? You'll have a limited time to earn exclusive emotes.
It's at level 3 already.
Metal Rain's coming in with another one. Bro, what the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck is going on? I have no idea what a hype train is. Yo! Papo coming in with 5 gifted tier 1s. Yo. Oh my shit, Tom. Yo, what the fuck is going on right now, bro? T Franny coming in with a tier 1 gifted. Holy shit. Yo. Fucking thank you, boys. Let's fucking go. Holy
Warzone vibes.
Fuck,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Holy shit. Let's go. Civil turns the fuck up, baby. Fuck. Let's go, man. Yes, sir, boys. Let's go, bro. Holy shit. Civil coming in with another tier 1. Yeah, this is fucking crazy. This is literally fucking crazy. Cliff, leave the Knicks alone. Bro. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened, bro? Yo, Verrett's coming in with a tier 1 gifted. What the fuck? Let's go. Let's go. Yo, this is my first hype train. Holy shit. So what happens? It says final level.
Yo. Downstairs, I heard my mic going fucking nuts.
Bro, I don't know what the fuck's going on tonight, bro. Let's go.
Level 5.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Are you kidding me?
Holy fuck, bro.
Damn, you turn it up on the Twitch. Let's go.
It's 1:30 a.m.
Buddy up.
It's 1:30 a.m. Holy shit. Appreciate you, boys, man. Thank you. Let's fucking go. Ah, man, now I'm pumped to play some fucking Warzone, bro.